How to use Revolut Abroad. Can I use Revolut Abroad? Using Revolut Abroad is simple. Start by ordering a physical or virtual card in the app. If you're traveling soon, choose the virtual card. Link it to Google Pay or Apple Pay, and you can start spending right away. Can I spend in different currencies? Yes, Revolut lets you pay in over 150 currencies. You don't need to keep foreign currency in your account. Revolut automatically converts your balance at competitive rates whenever you spend. What about ATM withdrawals? You can withdraw cash at ATMs around the world fee-free up to £2,000 a month, depending on your plan. Just know that some third-party ATMs may have their own fees. How do I keep track of my spending? Revolut's app notifies you instantly after each transaction. You can also set daily spending limits and freeze or unfreeze your card in-app if needed. Perfect for budgeting while you travel. Is it secure? Absolutely. Revolut has built-in security features like two-factor authentication, spending controls, and the option to instantly freeze your card if it's lost or stolen. With Revolut, traveling is stress-free and straightforward, letting you focus on the experience, not the exchange rates. Safe travels.